Hello guys, now in this tutorial we will see how you can use the Vlookup function in Excel. So Vlookup function is used if you have the large database and the data is arranged column wise or in vertical direction. So here in this database my data is arranged column wise, here the name, here roll number, here place. So in that case it is ideal if you follow the Vlookup function in Excel. So let's start directly. Suppose in the Vlookup function, if you are using friend, you start with Vlookup and just double click here. It will show some parameter, whichever the value that you want to search, you have to specify here. Suppose in this database I want this value, suppose RAM, so I will click here, so it will show that address there. Then you give comma. Next one, represent the array, table array. It means the address of your table. So my content start from Suraj up to Dule. So I just selected and that address will be coming here. And next value is index column. So I have 3 column, first, second, third. That is the index position. This is my first column, second, third. If you have 4 column, then next column will be fourth. So what I will do friend, I will write the column number. So suppose I want to extract row number, so I will write 2. And then next is true and false. True means if your data is ascending order, it is already arranged, you write true. Otherwise if it is not in ascending order, you have to select false. Here our data is not in ascending order, so I am selecting false, closing bracket. And here our value is RAM. This is our database address and I want the second, so it should come 7. Answer should come 7. So you see here answer is coming 7. Same way you can extract the value from third column. Now I am using the Vlookup in same way. So I want to extract again, suppose the RAM value only I want to extract, comma, then you have to give the address of table. And I want to extract the value from third column, so you simply write 3. And last one, my data is not arranged in ascending order, so I will select false. Now in this case friend, as I selected A4 means RAM and my column is third, so it should extract Delhi result. So you see Delhi result is coming. So here Vlookup functionality is very simple. So what happen in the Vlookup, first parameter represent the value that you are going to search. Second parameter represent the address of the content, address of your database. Third one represent index number, means you can say the column number. Okay, whichever the column number you have, suppose A column data is there, you have to specify index number 1. B column data is there, index number 2. The data is present in the C column, the index number 3. Same will be applied in the row wise also if you are using the horizontal lookup function that we will see in the next tutorial. So that index number means it will represent the column number here. And the last one is a false, it represents whether your data in ascending or it is not organized manner, so in that case you have to select the false. So I hope friend you understood the Vlookup function. It is very easy to understand. In the next tutorial we will see HLOOKUP function. So don't forget to see my next video, next tutorial. Thank you.